In this problem, we're given the equation of 7x plus 2y is equal to 14. To better graph this equation, we're first going to put it in slope-intercept form where we solve for y. The first step I will do is subtract 7x from both sides. Now I have 2y is equal to 14 minus 7x. The next step I will show is to divide everything by 2 to get y by itself, or to solve for y. So I'm going to divide everything I see by 2. So now I'll have y is equal to 7 minus 7 over 2x. This is technically not slope-intercept form because the y-intercept and the slope are kind of switched around. So I'm going to switch those around real quick so we can get our final answer of y is equal to negative 7 over 2 plus 7. Okay, so now I have it. Oh, I need to include my x here with minus 7 over 2x. Don't forget that. Now I can go ahead and determine my slope and my y-intercept. My slope is going to be a negative 7 over 2. And my y-intercept will be a positive 7. So let's go ahead and look over here at our graph and start putting these points on the graph. I do notice that my points only go up to 6, so we're just going to estimate this for the y-intercept. My point for y-intercept will be a positive 7, so that'll be probably right about here. And then my slope is negative 7 over 2, so that means I'm going to rise negative 7 and run 2. So I'm going to count 7 down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and run 2, 1, 2. This is a pretty steep graph. And then you can continue doing that to show more points on the graph, down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, run 2. So again, that'll be off the graph. Once you have a few points, you can go ahead and connect your points that you just made to show your linear equation.